Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We are already in which lesson? Block 17, Earth and its neighbors, right? Today I want to sing a poem for you. Shall I? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So you might be thinking why social teacher is singing a primary section poem, right? Because today we are going to talk about in our lesson, that is only, what is that? A twinkling one which gives a shine like a diamond in the sky apart from the moon. What it is? Yes, it is a star which twinkles at night times like a diamond, right? So today we are going to talk about the star. Shall we? When we see at night times, we see a small things which twinklings at night when we can see them very clearly when we don't have a moon, and nowadays we don't have a time to see the stars. When I used to be a kid, at that time we used to count even the stars and we used to see the stars. We see the stars like they are shining very bright in the nights. Right now we don't have a time to even take a pleasure of the stars, right? To enjoy the view of the stars. Night time everyone is sitting in front of the TVs. Have you ever experienced how these stars twinkles at the night time, children? Have you ever tried to observe them? Have you ever tried to count them? So as a child, everyone have that experience. Try to count the stars. Do you think we can count the stars? No, we can't count the stars, right? So apart from the stars, what we can see, another thing is in the sky, that is a moon. So what is the difference between moon and the stars? Can anyone tell? Yes. In the last chapter only we have learned that moon doesn't have its own light. It is eliminated, or it has to take the rays of the sun. So because of the sun it will have its light. But what about the stars? Stars also like that only. They will also take the sun rays, or they will also eliminated by the sun. Eliminated by the sun, do you think? No, because we can see the stars in the night also. But there won't be no sun in the sky at night. Then how we can see the stars at night? Because stars have its own light. Because they also have some gases in them, exactly like a sun. What is a sun? Sun is a star. Sun is also a star which have its own light because of its hydrogen and helium gases. Because of hydrogen and helium gases, it makes sun always burning. So it gives light in the day. What about the stars? Stars also, like the sun, they will also have their own gases which makes these stars burn. So we can see them at night even if we can't see the sun at night. Did you all understand, Nana? What is the difference between the moon and stars? Yes. Okay, now you have a question. Teacher, if the stars also have their own light and gases like a sun, then why they appear very small in the sky? Why can't they appear big like a sun? Why we can see them? Because the stars are very far away from the earth. But the sun is a star, but it is very closer to the earth. That's why we can see the stars even though those are very far away, because of their own gas and light make them twinkle in the sky. But the sun is very closer to us. That's why we can see very brighter because of its own light. Okay, Nana? Okay. Up to now what we have discussed about the stars. Right now what we understood, that stars also have their own light because of their gases which helps them to burn. Because of their burning we can see the twinkling light in the sky. But when we can see them in the night only. Can't we see them in the can't we see them in the daylight? Why we can't see them? Why we can't see them? Because they also move? No, they will stay there only. But because of the star bright light won't let us to see the stars in the daylight. Have you ever tried to see the sky in the daylight? Immediately what we will do? We will close our eyelashes, right? But in the night, when we are trying to see the stars, we won't close our eyes and we will enjoy to see the stars and moon, right? Because the stars also have the same gases which the sun has, but they are very far away That's why we are able to look at them. Look at what? Look at the stars. Then let's find it out what is the differences between the sun, the moon and the stars. Okay, Nana? So what is the sun? Sun is also a star, but why it looks very big in the sky? Because it's a huge ball of hot gases and it is very closer to the earth like the other stars. That's why it appears very big comparing to all other the stars. Why we can see the sun very clearly? Because the sun is the only one star which is very closer to the earth. Comparing to the remaining, all the stars are very far away in the universe. That's why we can't see the stars. In the day also they twinkles. What are they? Stars. In the day also the stars twinkles, but because of the sunlight we are not able to see the twinkling stars in the day. Only night time, when there is no sun, then only we can see the stars. Okay, now what about the moon? Does moon have its own light? No, because of the sunlight it has its light. And what is a moon? Moon is a planet and it is a natural satellite of the earth, right? So come now, what I said, stars and the sun, they don't have any differences between them. They both are stars and they have their own gases, right? So now you have a question. Comparing to remaining all the stars, is the sun only the biggest one in the universe? No. There are a lot of stars like a sun which are more bigger than the sun, Nana. In the universe, we have a lot of other stars comparing to the sun, which we have more bigger and more larger, right? Okay, so what is the shape of the star? In every time, in every movie, in every drawing, we will draw the star like this. Like this we will only draw. But exactly in a real, the stars won't be like this. They'll also be in a round shape. I don't know why that people has assumed the stars will look like that. But actually the stars will have the same round shape like the moon and like other planets. Okay, like the sun also. So what is the difference between the sun, the moon and the remaining stars? If we take a sun is a star and it has its own light because of the hydrogen helium makes the sun burning, and we can see that clearly because the sun is the only one star which is very near to the earth, right? And what about the moon? Moon is a planet and it is a natural satellite of the earth which revolves around the earth and it has a lot of shades, right? And what about the stars? Stars also like a sun which has its own light, illuminated by its own light, and we can see them in the night because in the day the sun won't let us allow to see the stars. And why they twinkle in the night means at the night time we can't see the sun. And why we see them very smaller comparing to the sun? Because sun is a star which is near to the closer, and remaining all the stars are very far away from our earth in the universe. That's why we can't see the other stars like a sun as a bigger shape. And which shape they are in? In round shape only. So is the sun only one star which is a big one in the universe? No. We have a lot of other stars which are more bigger than the stars. I hope you all understood the lesson about the twinkling stars and the difference between the moon, sun and also remaining stars. Okay, please everyone open your volume. Okay, everyone please open your volume S4 Twinkling Stars and page number 8. So what is the first question here? We have write words that describe a star inside the given stars. Yes, here they have given 4 stars and each star, in middle of the star you have to write the qualities of the stars. What is a star? What about the star? What you have learned in the school, in the class. Okay. Now second question. Why is the sun called a star? What is the difference between the stars and sun? What I said. Is there any differences or no difference? Yes, you have to write why the sun is called a star. Why does the sun look bigger than the other stars? You know the answer very well, right? So what makes the differences between the moon and stars, and why we call the sun as a star? You know the answer very well. So just complete your volume and send through WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you very much.